In this video, we are going to discuss Introduction to Cryptography, a very interesting subject, and you should learn this one. Cryptography comes from the Greek word that is a secret writing, and professionals make a distinction between the ciphers and the codes. A cipher is a character for character and bit for bit transformation. So, one character to another character, or say from one bit to another bit, the transformation will take place. Without regard to the linguistic structure of the language, and in case of ciphertext, we may not be following the linguistic structure of the language. And in contrast, a code replaces one word with another word or symbol. So, here in case of ciphers, we are having transformations, but in case of respective codes, that is our codes, where we will be having the replacements. So, one thing will be replaced by another one. So, one word will be replaced by the another word or the respective symbol. It is being used by militaries and then diplomatic corporations, diarists and the lovers to hide their information. So, here you can find that this is our plain text. Plain text means which we can read, we can understand, that is a plain text, and that is one encryption method. So, this encryption method has been labeled as E. This particular encryption method is taking this encryption key K, and then this encrypted method will take this plain text as input and it will be converted, this plain text will be converted to the ciphertext. How? There is a ciphertext C is equal to EK, that is after doing this encoding EK, P stands for the plain text. So, now this particular ciphertext will be transferred to this transmission media. Intruders are there. So, these intruders will try to read this particular ciphertext and try to get the meaning of the plain text against that ciphertext. So, they will try to decode that one. So, two types of intruders are there. One is a passive intruder, another one is the active intruder. In case of passive intruder, they just listen. They read this ciphertext and then they try to decode that one. After getting the plain text from the ciphertext, they will just observe. But this is known as the active intruder. They may receive, they may decode, understand the plain text, they will change the plain text, they will go for the again for this encryption process, and then they will transmit that message. So, that is known as the active intruder. So, at the receiving end, we will be having this decryption method. So, this particular decryption method D, and here we require this encryption or the decryption key rather, that is known as the K. And then from the ciphertext, this decryption method D will produce a plain text P, and that is the main theme behind this cryptography. So, the encryption model for a symmetric key cipher. Symmetric key means in both the cases we are using the same key here. So, here we are just showing you what is cryptography, and with this particular diagram we have discussed Introduction to Cryptography. Thanks for watching this video.
Tutorialspoint.com. Simply easy learning.